guys, we got most of the bed here sanded up. I put some Bondo all over it here. Just got to get all that sanded off. The roll pan here, got the filler up. So get all this off, and then hopefully we'll be ready for some primer on the old bed here. I'm getting tired of sanding. My arm is killing me. But I didn't bother y'all with the whole sanding process again. Y'all already sanded on the cab, so I'll just do these little clips of when I get done with certain stuff. Because sanding is kind of boring to watch. So anyway, we'll get back on this bed. Take a look at it. This is the last time we'll see it like this. And then hopefully we'll magically have